Tēnā koutou, nau mai, hoki mai. Welcome back to 2 Minute Te Reo. We are going to have a look at some new phrases today. Quickly, we will whakamahara, revise, review what we did the last 3 sessions. We looked at he inu mau, he inu māku, and he inu mana. All right. For me, māku, for you, mau, and mana, for him or her. Ka pai? This session we're going to look at he aha tēnei, which is what is this? So I've got some anti-flam here. He aha tēnei, he anti-flam tēnei. Now that only works because I am the person who is asking and answering. So then I can say tēnei because I am holding it. It is close to me, the speaker. If, however, I am not touching it and it is away from me, then I can say he aha tēnā, right? So tēnei changes to tēnā. So, he aha tēnā. Now, because I'm still not touching it, I'm still not holding it as the speaker, I will still answer he anti-flam tēnā, right? If, however, I ask the question, he aha tēnā, and then I am holding it, I will then answer, oh, he anti-flam tēnei, because now I am the one holding it. Ka pai? Another tauira, another example. Oh, he aha tēnei. I'm still holding it. I'm not going to rest it anywhere and drop it. Oh, he cactus tēnei. If, however, see if it works, I rest it up there, then I can ask, oh, he aha tēnā. What is that? He cactus tēnā. Usually you'll have a friend and you can ask and answer it. It might work a bit better. But have a practice with the tēnei, you're holding it, or tēnā, you're just pointing at it. But you can still see it, it's still near you. Ka pai? Kia kaha e hoa, give it a good try.